Alright everyone, so the next thing I want to talk about is your trading style. Now, this is a very important thing that a lot of people misunderstand, and the more you know about this, the more and the better trader you become, and faster you will become a better trader. So the idea with this is that a lot of people think there is a certain formula to become a better investor or a better trader. Okay, so they think that, oh, because this person does this, I need to do exactly that, or because this person is doing that, I need to do that. But in reality, the thing about trading which makes it very interesting is that everybody can develop a certain style for themselves, and your job as a trader who is trying to become a successful and better trader is to find that style that works for you. Find that strategy that works for you. For example, the strategy that I have, which you're gonna see me live trade in the next sections, you're gonna see that that is something I've used in the past few years. Like, I've been using this for at least 3.5 years, and I'm 100% comfortable with it. That is my trading style, and that is what I'm comfortable with, and that's how I trade. Now, some people might say, oh, that's not a good idea. That is okay. It's just that's how I have traded, and that's what works for me and with my mentality and with my mindset. And the point I'm trying to make is that everybody is different. There isn't a single way to make good trades and become a successful trader. You need to find yours. You need to find the indicators that work for you. Now, the thing is that we're going to talk about indicators and trading and all that stuff in the next section. We're talking about mindset here, but I want to set your mindset right now about the trading style. Okay, everybody has a different style. Everybody has a different pattern. Everybody uses different indicators, and I mean, we're going to talk about a lot of different indicators and trading style and strategies in next section. Don't worry about it, but my point is you need to find your style, and this is my goal in this course. I do not just teach you the strategies and the indicators and stuff like that, but I want to teach you to develop your own style. Okay, and that's what is something you got to remember. Remember, there isn't a good or bad way to make money as a trader. There isn't the right or wrong way. You either lose money or make money. And whatever you did to make money, if it works consistently, that is a good strategy that is working for you. Okay, just keep that in mind. Just because something is working for me, it doesn't mean it's going to work for you. And something works for you, it doesn't mean it's going to work for me. Okay, so it's important to learn to develop your style, and this is something we will talk about a lot more in the next section, especially when we actually go to the day trading strategies and all the indicators and things I want to talk about. But at the same time, when you see me trade live in a section after that, which is pretty interesting because you're going to see some really interesting stuff, the way I trade, the way I actually process information and things like that. So you're going to see, what do I look for, what do I look out, and all that stuff. So again, trading style, very important. Remember, just something I wanted to remind you guys. Just because something works for someone, it doesn't mean it's going to work for someone else. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let's talk about something else which is very important, and it's kind of your introduction to becoming a better trader, and your a very interesting strategy that helped me to just build confidence in trading, which is really cool and very simple really, but very cool. So let's go to the next video.